Let's look at the first hidden domino: packaging and logistics. Whether it's a cup of chai, a glass of milk for the kids, or your morning coffee, your breakfast just got more expensive. On May 14, 2026, India's two biggest dairy cooperatives raised milk prices by 2 rupees per litre nationwide. Amul Gold is now 72 rupees a litre, Taza is up to 60, and Buffalo Milk has jumped to 80 rupees a litre. Mainstream news calls this a standard corporate adjustment, but the domino effect reveals a hidden chain reaction. This milk hike wasn't decided in a dairy farm. It was triggered by the same global fuel and economic shocks we covered last week. How does a global oil crisis change the price of milk? Let's look at the first hidden domino: packaging and logistics. Amul distributes over 24 billion plastic pouches a year made from polyethylene derived from crude oil. With Brent crude past $100 a barrel, the base cost for making those packaging films jumped sharply. Combine that packaging spike with a recent 3 rupee petrol and diesel hike, and transport costs exploded. Thousands of refrigerated milk trucks moving across India suddenly became much more expensive to operate. The dairy cooperatives didn't have a choice. The logistics bill forced their hand. The second domino goes even deeper into rural India: the cattle feed crisis. A cow requires a steady diet of high-protein cattle feed, oil cakes, and green fodder to produce milk. Rising transport costs and erratic weather pushed the price of transporting and making cattle feed to record highs. To keep dairy farming sustainable, Amul's unions raised procurement prices paid to farmers by 30 rupees per kilogram of fat. Amul operates on a cooperative model and passes nearly 80 paise of every rupee back to rural milk producers. When a farmer's cost of keeping a cow rises by 4 to 6%, the retail price must rise to keep the rural economy afloat. Milk isn't just a household drink, it is the core raw material for thousands of small businesses. Your local roadside tea vendor, local cafes, restaurants, and sweet shops consume hundreds of liters of milk every single day. The Rs2 per litre hike might sound small to an individual, but for a commercial sweet shop using 500 liters a day, that is an instant, massive spike in daily operating costs. To survive, they pass the buck down. Food inflation officially crossed the 4% mark in April, and this milk hike is proof that the economic domino effect is far from over. Essential items are getting costlier, and your money is quietly doing less work every single month. But I want to know your strategy. How is your household adjusting to these continuous price hikes on daily staples? Are you cutting back, or are you looking for cheaper alternatives? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.